Stress is the name of the game right now. Stress is the name of the excitement. Let's reword. It is the night before I leave for Jamaica. And I feel like I've been in Florida for the past 3 months preparing. No preparation, never did I go and do. So what does that mean? In usual Monique fashion, everything just happened. Wham, bam, 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 bam. And last week I was chilling at my friend in West Palm Beach, having a good kiki. Tutus, it's time to go home. And here I am. It's the night before I leave for Jamaica. I feel like I'm ready. Like I'm ready to go home. I really want to go home. But we ain't going home to anything. We don't have anything to go home to as yet. So that part's, I don't know, is that part scary? That part is taking me out. I just don't know what to expect. I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm gonna have dry shit in my body. I'm gonna have 2 shillings to go down with. I'm just like, I am going down in the name of the Lord and knowing that it will all work out. It will all work out. I have to go down and like, this is the first time it's just me and Munchkin traveling and I have 6 bags. I don't even know if we had 6 bags when it was all 4 of us traveling. Now it's just the 2 of us traveling and I have 6 bags because I feel like I wanted, to give myself a little head start when I get there. Because I know by the looks of things, I'm going down into an empty house. Empty, empty, empty. Like everything that I've been looking for, I've been trying to find an apartment while I've been here. Not even fridge and stove. Not in the apartments that I can afford, not even fridge and stove in the apartment them. And fridge and stove can't hold in my suitcase. So I wanted to pack a barrel. Me and my girlfriend went on the road to say, all right, we're going to pack a barrel with some essential items that I'm going to need. And then when I started adding up all the costs, I was like, wait. I can't afford this because it's a lot. It's a lot going on. I'm going to show you this clip right here, right now, of when we went to Home Depot. And I was like, well, maybe I can buy some air beds and put in an apartment and do that. Let's go there. All right, so we're at the Home Depot. I'm gonna see if I can get some air mattresses because, as I said, my apartment is completely unfurnished, guys. Starting from scratch, all over again. Let's go see what we find. These are pretty. I could use one of these chandeliers for my bedroom. Not that one though, old-fashioned things that. But this one's cute. Not even fridge or stove is in my apartment. So, I don't know, I'm just filling up my eyes because at a fridge I would want to know. But you know how much this going to cost at Jamaica. Let me see how much feet up here. I wonder if I can ship it down. That's the price. $4.98 for the small fridge. $500. Wait, that's a dishwasher, is it? Yeah, that's a dishwasher. Washing machines. Jaja, sometimes I feel like more than just see one next one here. $17.98, guys. Let's take note of that. So when I go back to Jamaica, I'm gonna see how much for it. But all right, let us go and look at some affordable fridges to see what the price is like. $15.28, still a side by side. $15.28. Maytag. $9.99 for my stove. My mama. $3.48 for this. Way. Alright, I could go and look again. This is a small fridge in here. I have nothing for broke pocket people. Hold on. Okay. Geez, $1.49 for the little baby fridge. This can't hold in a 1 barrel. So, but this little small one for $1.69, I don't understand. Wow. Oh, this is a wine fridge. 3.2 cubic foot, $2.49. Oh, the 7, yes. That would work, you know. The 7 cubic foot just for a little time. I wonder how much of them when you go back to Jamaica. $3.49 for that. At the same 10 cubic foot. $3.49. All right, note these prices, guys. So a nice, decent fridge here. $700. For how much cubic foot this? I don't know. 18 cubic foot. One nice, decent, proper fridge. Guys, look at this. This is so slim. I mean, compared to the one beside it. Do you see that? That's so slim. $529. That's so. I mean, I guess it's right in line with the rest of the. I saw microwave there, my mama. So they didn't have air mattresses in this location. My friend said that's something I probably need to shop for online. But you know me, or come up. So I'm leaving next week. I don't know if I have a lot of online time left. We're gonna check another store and see what's what. Right. So Home Depot did not have any airbeds. If I ever tell the story how I got airbeds, I bought one on Amazon that was, you know how on Amazon it say used but like new or something like that, and it really, when you see some of those, it really means that like they open the package and decide say them not gonna want it and they returned it, so they didn't even actually use the product. I bought one like that, and then I saw 2 days later I saw like a bigger one on sale, 50% off. I was like, yes, give me that. But do you know how heavy and how big airbeds are, even when they're folded up in the package? So like half of the luggage that I have is just the airbed them. I don't have sheets, we don't have towel, we don't have, I don't even know if I'm going to have electricity in the place that I'm going into, because it's a hot mess right now. But I may stress out myself over it, but it'll all work out. It'll all work out. You know why I did this hair? You know I love my locks. So I've been doing locks for a couple years now. But I wash my hair and my curls look so good. I said, no man, I'll just carry down the locks and do my locks when I feel like doing them again. Honey, I don't have any space in any of these suitcases to carry down these locks. And I buy these locks long time to say I'm going to do them up here. So the only way that they could come back with me is on my head. I just finished doing them. I do my little eyelash them. I don't do any fingernails yet because I was waiting until I do my hair. I do Marley's hair. I do everybody's hair. And now I feel like my friend took up the lashes them. Not the lashes them. The nails them off of the table and dash them away. So I'm going on without nails because I do have another set of nails, but I just packed them. I'm not open by the suitcase them because the suitcases are all very weighed out meticulously to make sure so I'm going to reach the airport, I have no problems because I not have 2 shillings right now to spend on anything extra. So pray for us, but join us on this adventure because by the time you see this video, I'm in Jamaica. By the time you see this video, I'm in Jamaica and we've worked out something. And I guess I'll put my first day in Jamaica in this vlog as well. So let's do that. Let's go back home. It will all work out. It will all work out. What's up there? We're going home, we're going home. Marley, are you excited? We're going home. Let's dig in. Sure. Going home, we're going home. And the big yellow bus that's behind me. There it is, all right home.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love. myself again. Yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again. So sweet again. Oh, na 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 na. When all I see is
Just touched down in the airport. Boom, boom.
That is so cringe. Wait, guys.
Guess I'm old now. The humidity is killing me. Jamaica, why are you so hot? Anyways, it feels really good to be here. I'm home. I'm so happy. Waiting on my friend who said she's coming for me. Yay! $240 for the cheap paper towel. No, sir. My mother said I should stop compare the price them, but I'm already in a shock. You can't manage $100 for one tissue. Yep. $1,000 for what? One toothpaste? You must be mad. Well, no, okay. This is $500. Come here, $500 for toothpaste. Jeez, I'm crying. So how much for the Colgate? 700. Jaja.
Alright, them here are the small one then.
Where you buy?
The garbage bin.
No, we not go for the cheapest one. Still want to teach them, you know, up to the time. So this one got baking soda and peroxide. Yeah, man, I go do that. I like when baking soda in my toothpaste. Yes, sir.
Oh, this
Hello,
is small.
Jamaican Gypsy Granny.
Yeah.
Back together.
Hello.
So this is our space right now. There's an air bed where the living room should be. This is a queen size air bed to give you some kind of context. I think when I actually set it up, a couch would have to go against this wall here, and then a TV there. I don't know, maybe like a sectional with just a small part jutting out right here. Okay, let's clear the air. Don't I miss those yang yangs? Yes, there's all our stuff are strewn all over, and I soon tell you why. So yes, I think if I could maybe get like a little sectional here with just the piece jutting out, so that when I enter, because I'm standing at the entrance and there are double doors here, so that maybe when I enter, I still have space here to put, I'll have to put like a dining, like a small, maybe not even 4-seater, maybe like a rectangular 2-seater, just somewhere that we can eat. Because I don't know if it can go here, which is, I guess, where it should be, because the fridge goes there. Like, there's no space. I can see it's 1 suitcase and 2 suitcases. There's really no, like, in pictures it looked a little bit longer, but in reality, like, I've also considered like putting a couch here where the bed stops and then the TV goes there, right? That seems normal. But if I do put a couch here, can I still put on, I don't know how the eating situation goes. If I put a couch there, maybe we'll have enough walking room where I can put the table like right here. I don't know, I'm trying to figure that part out, guys. So this is the kitchen. And down in the kitchen area is space for a washer unit. So that's why that's there. And then my stove is supposed to go right there. The cupboards seem, you know, newly built. Those are cool. So yeah, this is the area where the fridge goes. And once the fridge goes there, there'll be a tiny little space in the corner where I guess I can put cleaning supplies. I don't know, like mops and brooms and stuff will just go in the corner there. And that will be that. And so here is where I'm saying a table can go depending on how I set up the thing. So that was the entrance where I was just standing. Right, so let's go in the bathroom. The bathroom is tight as well. It's very tight. A mirror needs to come right here. And then I was thinking that I would put maybe a shelf here just to access, or either a shelf here just to access some, because there's not much counter space, and I'd want to put like, you know, a few toiletries like right here, or because it doesn't really have space for you to put like a standing unit, so I just put a shelf here, and then I'll have to put like a bar here so we can actually hang our towel. And this is the shower, which is kind of tight as well, but I like that they have, love me those yang yangs, really miss them. I like that they have, you know, in built-ins so that I don't have to like buy more. Right here where I'm currently sitting will eventually be my main video area, I believe. I'll hang some things on the lattice, that's it named though, and maybe put like a standing plant stand right there in the corner, so you know, make it nice and cute. It is smaller than I thought it would be, but it's cozy. It is perfect for just me and Munchkin right now. I have no complaints. We'll be fine. We'll figure it out. What's making it difficult to figure out is the electricity is not yet turned on. Welcome to Jamaica. I was trying to get it done from before we left. It's still not done. It does look like I'm going to go through the weekend without electricity. I just pray that it doesn't take all of next week. JPS, come on now, what the hell? So that is the bane of my existence right now. We have no electricity, so we have to have the place completely opened up. Mosquito near me. I'm hot, I'm greasy, like I'm a little bit more miserable and stressed that I'm putting out right now, but I'm rolling with the punches. We're making it work. I'm grateful that we have a space that is all our own again, and we are building back from scratch. When the electricity comes, the next bane of my existence will probably be that there is no refrigerator in the house. It's hot, I want to drink some cold water. One step at a time, one step at a time. Rome wasn't built in a day. I can deal with some uncomfort right now knowing that we are at ground zero and we're building back. There's no way, nowhere but up to go from here. So I'm happy to be home. I'm happy to be home and in our own space again. I'm really, really, truly grateful for that. We build back, you know. I feel like this whole journey has been quite the adventure, and I shared in some big triumphs, and I learned some things, and you win some, you lose some, and you get knocked down and you try again. I think the biggest part of this journey for me is in my head right now, like, you know, feeling as if you have nothing left to offer the world. That's it sounded sad when it came out of my mouth, but that's kind of where I feel right now. And I feel like, you know, I'm on the tightest, most shoestringiest of budgets right now, trying to, like, you know, just make this place comfortable. I don't know when that's going to be. We might be on earbeds for the next few months because I have to get a fridge. That's my top priority. Yeah, so I'll share as we go along. I will share what's up, but I'm in Jamaica, so welcome home, welcome to Jamaica. I will share as much as I can do. You know, the plan was definitely to hit the road running. Mosquito. The plan was definitely to hit the road running, sharing with you my favorite parts of Jamaica. As budget allows, we'll start to get that off and running. But I'm home, so that's coming. For now, we build back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in so far and for being supportive of the journey. A lot of you guys started following the journey when I'm in Mexico. I'm really hoping that you'll stay for some Jamaica content as well. I do have a link to my Amazon wish list for the house in the description box below. If you are so moved and you want to buy 2 towels or 1 sheet set, 1 house rug, something, 1 bathroom mat, I am accepting it all at this point. Or if you want, just drop something in the tip jar. That link is down below as well, because it's a lot, guys. It's a lot, and I know we'll make it, but it's uncomfortable right now, and the uncomfortableness. But I will be back on top again. I have been here before, and I think I did ever in a one situation when we did out a light so long though. So that part is definitely very uncomfortable, and that part is it has no faults. It's just like the company's dragging their foot. It's not like I can't say, boy, I'm a broke and I can't go take out the light. I've done everything that they've asked me to do so far, and it's been on this to be reviewed status for the last 2 days, and it's the weekend, so I just know we'll be without the electricity probably for the weekend, and that part pains me, but we'll make it through. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Let's see where this adventure goes.